Hello, I'm Chuck Perry, Superintendent with Broken Arrow Public Schools, and I'm here today with David McGregor, our Maintenance and Construction Lead. How are you doing today, David?
Doing great, sir. Doing great. Happy to be here.
We are so excited to show you the Kirkland Soccer Athletic Complex and the renovations we've done inside here for our soccer program. You know, I started playing soccer here in Broken Arrow back in 1978 with the Broken Arrow Soccer Club when I was 7 or 8 years old. Played on the first high school team here in Broken Arrow in 1985, and actually was the boys' head coach from 92 to 97. So to see what you've done with this place, it's so exciting. And we have 120 soccer players here every single day working hard, and they deserve this type of facility. So come on inside and let us get a chance to show you some more. Mr. McGregor, tell us about the renovations here.
All right, so we've touched about everything, so there's a lot to go over. So besides the paint job and this beautiful painting that the high school students did for us, we gave it an accent wall. We really wanted to set it off and make it part of our foyer here.
That's a nod to the old touchdown tree that was here in the football end zone back in the day.
Yes, they did a great job recapturing that. And then this front area here has been totally redone. We've got some trophy cases. We wanted to really let the BA show, so we put some lights over the top of it and some millwork around it. These trophy cases were made by our maintenance crew, self-performed everything. So we're really proud of them. We put a lot of time and energy into trying to really do our program, our soccer program, justice by showing off the trophies here.
Looks great, looks awesome, and really shows up. And we want these younger generation players to walk by and see the history there.
We didn't stop there. We went ahead and we redid the concession stand. It needed a facelift, so it got that. All new doors all the way around, nice millwork. It really helped this area. Not only do we have our nice turf fields outside with the stadium, we have probably at least Oklahoma's best futsal court in here. It's on maple, it's fresh painted, 360-degree seating. And a few weeks ago we had a tournament here. I think it was the first tournament for futsal in Oklahoma. So we're really proud of that, to be able to bring something new like that, cutting edge, to Broken Arrow.
Tell us about this new renovated area that used to be a wrestling facility years and years ago for Broken Arrow.
Right, this is one of our spaces. We had a lot, it's more of a big storage room when we got here, so we've done a lot of renovations. We painted the ceiling, all new paint everywhere. We've got this new eco flooring in here for the weights. We added some heat and air, so we have both heat and air in this space now. It really came a long way, came together. This is a dedicated space for the soccer players to work out and get better. So we're happy to be able to provide that for them, and they're already taking advantage of it. They're in here all the time working out. So yeah, we're really proud of this space. It took a lot of work. These are all LED lights in here, so we're doing our part, saving some money, and it really brightens it up some. So.
It does, it looks great. I wish we had pictures almost what it looked like a year ago to what it looks like now, because
right.
it's a totally new place, and again, they'll use it, and strength training is such a big part of all of our sports now. I'm excited to have with me today ELENA CONAWAY, one of our varsity soccer players. And ELENA, tell me about the impact of the new weight room. You see the new trophy case, some additions out there, and then this whole beautiful complex overall, what that means to you as a player.
It means a lot to me because I've been here for a couple years and we haven't had, we have our championship years on the front. I think that's really cool. And the weight room, I like having it here just because it's easy access, and even if we aren't lifting together as a team, we can have individual lift sessions, or there's bikes in there.
Got Striker Moon Smith, one of our boys varsity soccer players, with me, and I know you've had this nice facility out here for a couple of years. Tell us about all the renovations and what that means to you.
Well, I think it definitely boosts the morale of the whole team. Getting that trophy cabinet up, seeing all the stuff we've won in the past makes us want to win some more, fill it up some more. The gym, obviously, the futsal court is amazing. I love futsal so much, and being able to play it, not slipping everywhere like the old court, it's really crazy, really boosts up our practices. We can go hard inside or outside no matter the weather.
I want to thank you again, Mr. McGregor, for the work you and your team have done out here. Again, it's going to be impactful for our students and our players, and with the spring season just right around the corner, 1st of March, they're going to be using it. So great job, and thank you.
Thank you.